There's a lot of push for very cheap food for a long time, and it's been to the detriment of the environment and our nutrition.
If we keep feeding them with ultra-processed foods and these things that are so detrimental to health, then realistically it's just such a shame.
I think there's a kind of assumption that maybe people have to be persuaded to be interested in fresh fruit and vegetables that are locally sourced, that are organic. But I think there's a massive appetite for that here.
The cost of living crisis and the economic situation, for the majority of people, you don't have to be in absolute poverty to not be able to afford responsibly grown produce anymore. So we're really happy that we're being able to bridge that gap through providing it at a subsidised rate through these stalls.
We haven't had a greengrocers for about 15 years, and we knew that people really missed having a greengrocers in the town. One of the reasons we're running the Friendly Food Club is because we believe that good quality locally grown food that's grown without chemicals is a right and not a privilege.
So I'm a member of the Friendly Food Club. When you eat well, you will live well.
This really is a really prominent food desert, kind of zero access to fresh food. So that's why we've set this up. And to be able to provide organic in a community that the idea of ever buying organic produce was completely off limit, that's actually been really positive.
So I think having an option where it's more local to where you live and the fact that it's organic, it makes you feel like you're supporting your local community more.
Shorter supply chains enables as much of the money that people spend on their fruit and veg to go directly to the farmers.
We are one of the organic growers that supply the Better Food Shed, and that they then distribute organic vegetables, paying us growers a fair price and making it accessible across London to some schools in Hackney that are part of the Bridging the Gap pilot.
We're trying to get to 100% organic and seasonal as well, so we're supporting local farmers.
It has so much taste, I just really love it.
There's an aspiration to get more Welsh veg in there, but how do you do that? You know, it's quite tricky. Usually when local authorities buy in veg, often it's done at the sort of cheapest price. So what we're doing as part of the pilot is that we're subsidising the difference between the conventional price and the cost of buying in agroecological organic veg at wholesale price.
If we can be producing more veg locally in Wales, then that's going to really help the local economy and grow that supplier base and also build a greater resilience.
It shouldn't be an option that you choose to eat good quality locally grown produce. It should just be a no-brainer. It should just be there and available for everybody.